Ready to move your USDC on Base? Let's break down how to do it safely and efficiently. First, make sure the wallet you're sending to actually supports the Base network. Many popular wallets do, like MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, and Trust Wallet. But it's crucial to confirm this, otherwise, your USDC could get lost. Open your wallet, look for the Send or Transfer button, which is usually pretty prominent. Tap on it. Now, you'll see a form. This is where precision is key. Carefully paste the recipient's wallet address into the recipient address field. Check this. A single wrong character can send your USDC to the wrong person. Next, enter the amount of USDC you want to send in the amount field. Pay attention to the network fee section. Higher fees generally mean faster transactions, but during network congestion, even high fees might not guarantee instant transfer. Choose an appropriate fee based on how quickly you need the USDC to arrive. Before hitting confirm, review everything one last time: recipient address, amount, and total cost. Make sure you understand and agree with all the details. Once confirmed, your wallet will process the transaction. You'll usually get a confirmation screen with a view on Block Explorer button. This lets you track the transaction's progress on the Base blockchain. Finally, keep track of your transactions in your wallet's history. This is useful for record keeping, auditing, or simply verifying that your transfer was successful. And that's it. You've successfully sent USDC on Base.